AP Chemistry Daily Question. Have a solubility question for you today. See if you can solve this one. I'm going to reveal the correct answer in a few seconds, so pause the video if you'd like to take some time to try it. And here's the correct answer. Now, if you'd like to see why this is the correct answer in less than 90 seconds, please stick around. So with solubility, we have this rule that like dissolves like, which just means that substances with similar polarities, similar intermolecular forces, will be more soluble in one another than ones that are less similar to one another. So let's start with our solvent here, water. Water is polar. Remember, when there's lone pairs on the central atom, that typically makes it polar. And when there aren't any lone pairs on the central atom, typically is nonpolar because it's symmetrical. So because water is polar, polar solutes will be soluble in it. Nonpolar solutes will be insoluble in it. Ionic solutes are typically soluble in water. Some are not. Most of the time they are. Here's a solubility rule that you should know. You should memorize for AP Chemistry. So if we look at our options, SO2, here's the Lewis structure for that. That's polar. There's a lone pair on the central atom. KBr, that's ionic. And because it contains potassium, according to our solubility rule, it will be soluble in water. CCl4 is going to be nonpolar because there's no lone pairs on the central atom. It's symmetrical. And then NH3, there is a lone pair on the central atom, so that's polar. So the least soluble will be the nonpolar one, which is CCl4, choice C. If you got that correct, great job. If you stuck around until now, even better.